Choosing ridge vents over powered fans for attic ventilation can seriously help your home breathe better while being kinder to the environment. So, first off, ridge vents let hot air escape naturally through the peak of your roof, which keeps your attic cooler without sucking up electricity. You want to make sure you've got soffit vents too, so fresh air can come in low while the hot air heads out the top. That way you get steady airflow without any weird pressure issues. It's all about balance, you know. Plus, ridge vents don't have any moving parts, so they don't wear out or need much maintenance, which saves you money and hassle over time. Powered fans might cool the attic faster, but they run on electricity and can actually pull conditioned air from your living space if not installed right, which wastes energy. Ridge vents work quietly too, no annoying noise bothering you or your neighbors. If you're thinking about energy efficiency, ridge vents reduce your cooling costs, since your AC doesn't have to work as hard. Just remember, proper installation is key to avoid leaks or pests getting in. One of the biggest mistakes with attic ventilation is not having enough intake vents like soffit vents, which messes up airflow and makes ridge vents less effective. Fix that by adding more intake points. Another common issue is installing powered fans without a proper thermostat or humidistat. They might run when they don't need to, wasting energy, so get smart controls to save power. Also, people sometimes think bigger fans or more vents always mean better ventilation, but that can cause negative pressure and pull warm air from inside your home. Balance is everything, so stick to the recommended vent area for your attic size. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about attic ventilation and roofing. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it easier to get work done right and on time.